Hell no, bro. There's the cops over here.
Well, are we doing something today?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Do we have a video for today or what?
You want to record a video today?
Not really feeling up to it. What do you have? Like nothing crazy, huh?
I mean, I don't really got nothing to install, really, to be honest. You recording right now?
No, not yet.
Well, dude, I see the fucking camera flashing, bro.
No, that's the fucking it's low battery. That's why.
Bro, I don't got nothing to install today. I mean, I got this in the mail.
What? Some lights? Some lights for the.
It's just something small, nothing crazy, really.
Let me find out it's a mirror. Oh, the fucking stock ECU. You're putting it back.
If you know, you know, boys. Oh, hell no.
Finally, the fucking moment you guys have been waiting for the longest.
Let me show him real quick then.
Finally fucking here. Stage 2 tune for a 1.8 turbo. Oh shit.
Stop reading, bro. Let's go. We don't need to read this
I hope
shit.
that fool roasts you for doing that instead of the fucking that.
Why you bullying me?
Oh, wait, keep going.
That's it.
Ah, my nigga, my finger.
What the fuck?
You said keep going. Don't even say you did
I
it.
said keep going, I fucked up my finger. Oh hell nah.
This nigga really said.
My bad. I think it's out though. I think it's out.
See?
Oh, there we go.
Told you. Right?
Woo, first one out.
Hell nah.
Alright, let's go second.
I think it's almost out. I swear to God.
I just gotta force it home. I just gotta get it out, man up. Yeah. Man up, go! Nah, bro! Oh, hell no, bro. This nigga's jumping on. Bro! You actually,
It was a setup.
The only reason I trip out is because Jossie goes like this. He goes, oh, he like, oh, bro.
It was a setup. That shit was nice, huh? You got fucked when he was like, you wanna help? And I was like, oh, he was like, fuck. That shit was funny.
That's so fucked, bro. That's nasty, bro.
It's just funny.
You almost grabbed my asshole.
It's almost out.
Your pinky almost came into my asshole. Alright, boys. We got everything out. Actually, don't say nothing. It was faster than we thought, though, but
You know.
I think these just come out like this. Or how the fuck?
Yeah, pull them out.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Facts.
Hold on. I need to look at my thing. Yeah, you see? Pull it up.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Fuck, look at him.
We got everything disconnected, everything good. If you guys having trouble getting it out, life hack I just thought of right now.
If it's stuck.
If it's stuck in there, you just get two little, what are these, wrenches or some shit? And then just, and then you got your little old ECU out.
Throw it away.
Let me see.
Throw it away.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
For what, bruh?
Just when I need to do smog, I can just switch it back.
Imagine.
How'd it go? Was it like this?
Nah, the other way.
No, I'm just fucking.
No, it was like this, huh? You can have that. Sai.
When's the nigga put the other one in?
Wait, no. Time for Eurocustoms, boys. So I'm pretty excited for this.
Just take the sticker off, put it on there, and
Sell it to somebody?
Sell it again.
No, all right, let's go.
You're gonna be like, what the fuck? My car has a check engine light now.
They're gonna be hella tripping out.
Are you nervous?
All right, boys, everything's on. Battery's back. Woo, I'm excited, but okay, let's see if everything running good. First startup.
It's gonna pop flames or what?
Not yet. We're gonna let it chill for a bit, and then yes. But let's see. First startup, everything's cool. Shit, I couldn't get the key in. My engine lights are already off. My engine lights are already off.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bro, I want to two-step it so hard, can I?
No. Nigga, are you stupid?
Please,
You're gonna blow your fucking engine.
No, let it warm up first. And then two-step. Bro, this is so annoying, bro.
Do everything the right way, bro.
Guys, tell him that he has to fucking keep his fucking engine at least for a year.
Nah, he's right.
To blow it up already.
Oh, fuck. Dude, cause, oh, shit. Do my lights work now?
Quema la mano.
I swear the fucking ECU was about to fix your lights.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited, bro. Oh, shit. All right, let's put everything back so by the time it's warmed up and we do a little test drive,
Let's go.
we're gonna go, boys. All right, we'll come back to you guys.
That shit sounded nice.
Oh, that was in it. Bro, that was loud, huh?
I do clutch out. Oh, I told you. I
Oh.
fucking knew it too.
No, that was clutch in. That was clutch in.
This nigga's looking at you like,
That shit had a power. That shit had a fucking
That
play.
shit, oh hell
hella
no.
horny,
He said that shit was cool. He said that shit was cool.
Oh hell no, that shit was loud, bro.
One more.
You want one?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh hell no. That shit's so sick, bro. Alright, let's see the speed. Oh. Oh yeah, that's nice, that's nice. Oh, that's cool.
hell yeah.
Oh shit.
Nigga.
Oh shit, that's sick,
Nice, nigga.
that's sick.
That shit
Oh.
nice.
Nigga, that two-step is loud, bro.
There's a little nice road right here. There's a little nice road to test it out right here.
That shit's cool, bro. That shit looking pussy back up.
Yeah.
Oh, that dude. Oh, hell yeah. That's the best thing you can do, bro. Oh,
Niggas that love me.
Oh, hell yeah, bro. Boys, that's the sickest shit, bro. Make sure to subscribe and like, boys, if you're new for sure. God. Pulls a little harder, bro. It's not nothing crazy, but it definitely pulls a little harder. Nothing crazy though.
What do you think, MISA?
I do like it.
Yeah?
I do want to see it from outside. Maybe like a flyby or some shit. Right now, you should drop me off so I can take a video. Oh, nigga. Oh,
There you go. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Oh, hell no. I'm a hot boy. All right, we're going to go chill for a little bit, boys. And we'll show you again some shots at night so we can see the... Oh, actually some outside shots too and all that shit, but... Overall, this shit's so sick, bro. And the little power gain you get, it's so sick.
Coming soon? Or coming soon? You already know. Let me know. Yeah?
We'll see.
Not that one.
Oh.
Guys, tell them for the TC. The TC's a no-go.
Get your videos.
Oh my goodness.
not even in the car yet. Oh.
Nigga, look at this nigga how he parked. Oh, actually, he parked pretty good. What the? Hey, you unlock it.
What the fuck? Was that loud?
Yeah, nigga.
Retarded loud. That blew my fucking ears out, nigga.
Did it shoot a flame?
Yes.
I'll show it to you right now.
Oh, hell no, bro.
Oh, my ears, nigga.
How close did you stare to it, Yosin?
Nah, not too close, but not too far.
Oh, shit.
That shit low-key, like, the fucking, like...
You felt the
Yeah. What we about to do?
Let's take his car.
You're not down.
Let's go.
Yeah. Go.
Just rev it a little bit.
Go. Oh my god. You won. You won. If you don't, you're a bitch.
Nigga does it with his hand, do it with your fucking foot. Nigga, that's like.
Nigga got scared.
Where's that nigga at?
I can hear it a little.
Boys,
Last little clip for y'all. Hopefully with fat ass flame. You ready?
Ready.
Get ready, get ready. Hell no, bro. There's the cops over here. That nigga's looking about to snitch right now.
Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Oh, hell no.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god!
I don't know why it sounds like that, boys, but boys, this tune is so. Hold on, look over the windows. Boys, this tune is so nice. I don't like the little raspy tone that it adds to it. But other than that, boys, the tune feels sick. Everything's so cool. And to explain what happened yesterday in that little extra clip right there, I was two-stepping. I was showing the boys real quick, you know. And I didn't really get the tune just to be two-stepping all the time. I was just showing the boys, you know. It's something cool though. It's definitely cool. It's definitely something like, I mean, it's loud and fucking shoots a flame, like it's cool, it's whatever, you know. But I was just showing the boys in the neighborhood, and then one of the neighbors comes out. He's like, "Hey, what are you guys doing?" And then we're like, "Oh shit!" I fucking dip. I literally just go park up real quick, and then we dip. And then like not even like as I'm parking, a fucking cop pulls up, and the neighbor starts talking to the police, and then that was just snitching us out. But the lucky thing is, it's close to 4th of July, and we live in Mexico, so it doesn't really matter, you know. But it's almost 4th of July, so they all thought it was fireworks. So they didn't even, cause I didn't want to get a state ref, bro. Especially right after the tune, bro. Are you kidding me? But they all thought it was fireworks, so it was pretty chill. It was chilling. It was chilling. My ass was like this. My ass was like this, bro. Woo. It was chill though. And boys, the tune is fucking sick. If you're trying to get one, just go on Facebook groups, ask like, oh, what can I get a tune, and then gonna link a bunch of places for you guys. It's a Eurocustom Stage 2 tune, you know, all the goodies. I'm pretty sure you guys saw it when I unboxed the actual tune, so you guys should know what I got. But bro, it just feels. It just feels hella nice, bro. And the turbo noises are a little bit louder, so that's actually really nice. But oh, dude, boys, it's so sick, bro. It's so sick. I'm gonna definitely come out with the POV drive video. I don't know when, but expect it in the future, you know. And a bunch of more videos coming, boys. Appreciate y'all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. God damn, I didn't think it was that loud.
Shut up. Alright, boys. We just got his coolant and some springs. We're gonna get a little snack, a little snacky poop. Oh, no reaction. I thought I was gonna get a reaction. But the BOIS got something wrong with his car. We don't know what it is. We're about to figure it out, hopefully. And we'll see you guys when we get there.
Go, don't be a pussy, bro. No, don't be a bitch, don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch, don't be a bitch.
You first though, you first.
No, you first. Me, so who first? Me and y'all.
Rock, paper, scissors. Y'all niggas
first. Oh, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, and we're gonna have to hold the bottle rocket. Out of one, only one.
Yeah,
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. On
okay.
shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock,
all right,
paper, scissors, shoot.
All right.
First one.
All right, yeah, first one.
Nigga, they can't even see me.
No, they can. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! I'm just kidding. Oh, okay, fine, fuck. Mister, you sure safety?
Give me it.
Oh, fuck. Move out the way. If I fucking blow my hand, I'm gonna kill you. Dude, are you sure this is safe? Mister, are you sure this is safe?
Pussy.
Is it safe though?
You're actually a bitch.
Nah,
just let it go when you fucking feel it dragging you. If you fucking
I know, I'm just trying to
let it go. What are you, crazy? Oh shoot! Nah, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Damn, how many did you grab, bro?
Just 2 bags.
Just 2 bags. Hey, just 2 bags.
Cause I got 2. Dude, you're a bitch. I said, look.
Actually,
And I'm gonna do it again.
is she safe?
Here, if you don't do it, you're a bitch. Everyone's gonna comment. Hey, Chronic is gonna make fun of you.
No, fuck that nigga. I'll hold one of these.
Hold one of those in your hands, bro. Here.
Nah,
What if I did it right now? What would you do? Here. You have to. Like, Chronic's gonna call you a bitch. You better not drop it, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, shit! Where did that go? Nigga, that went to the
Y'all niggas are actually bitches, man.
That was not me.
Y'all niggas, this nigga done said.
Dude.
Oh, hell nah, bro. What? My nigga, what?
Bro,
The first thing that he said, don't drop it. Nigga, you would've fucking, oh hell no. What if that shit would've been in the car? Oh, fuck no. I would've been fucked in here. The door was closed and everything.
Bro, that fucking
Y'all
shit.
niggas
Oh, hell no.
Did he hold it from the bottom or the top?
No, he held it good, but he just, right when it lit, he let go of it.
that shit was hot.
You're fucking stupid, bro. This nigga said, that was kind of extra. Dude, you gotta do another one.
Nah.
You're actually scared?
Alright, fine.
Oh my god. You can't let go of it this time. No, look, it let go by itself. Like, hold it hella like you're not even holding it. You feel me?
Fuck that nigga, Chronic.
This is for Chronic. Bruh, look, just don't literally hold it like this and it just shoots by itself. Like, I did it 2 times.
I like it.
Alright, you go. Don't drop it though, actually. No, I'm not.
What the
What
fuck?
the fuck? Someone turn off the volume. You guys turned on the video or what?
Another one. That shit was fun.
Oh, quick grab. Nah, it is kind of fun. Oh shit, oh shit.
All right, go.
Wait.
Ready?
Want to see my light, because
Okay.
it's easier. Alright, I'm gonna go. Oh, go. Nigga, go. Oh, shit.
Oh, hell nah. I almost fucking died. I'm a fucking retard. This piece of shit does not work for shit.